Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by exporting the map area from Google Earth Pro as a KML/KMZ file. This preserves place marks and paths. Once done, install QGIS or ensure Autocad Map 3D is ready so you can import geospatial data. Make sure you choose a coordinate reference system now, for example WGS84 or the correct UTM zone, because later reprojection causes scale errors. You're beginning the pipeline. Export confirm CRS open in GIS or Autocad Map 3D to next you import the KML into QGIS for conversion. Load all layers and inspect geometry so you avoid multi-part features. Then reproject the data to your target CRS so coordinates match Autocad. This step prevents later scaling issues. After reprojection, export the selection as DXF or DWG. During export, simplify lines and remove unnecessary attributes to reduce file bloat. Once exported, check layer names and file size. These middle steps turn raw map data into a CAD-ready drawing. Finally, you bring the DXF/DWG into Autocad using Map Import or Map Connect so the coordinate system is preserved. Make sure your drawing units match the projected CRS and align the data by snapping to known coordinates or using the georeference tools. This ensures scale and position are correct. Clean the drawing by converting lines to blocks, trimming overlaps, then run purge and audit to remove junk. Troubleshooting tip: if geometry appears shifted or scaled, verify the CRS match and reproject the source KML, because mismatched CRS is the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.